Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Today, I will start lesson number 5. Computer mouse. As you all know, mouse is an input and pointing device. And it helps us to point at things on the screen. Computer. A machine. A computer is a man-made machine. Machines are man-made things that make our work easy. The computer can be used to do many things. We can listen to music, watch movies and write letters on a computer. We can even play games, draw and solve sums using computer. A computer has many parts. They are monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse. Let's see in detail about monitor. A monitor is that part of a computer which shows the work that we do on the computer. A monitor is also called a visual display unit. In short, we call it as VDU. A monitor looks like a television. We can watch movies, cartoon films, and many more things on monitor. Let's see to the second part of computer. Keyboard. A keyboard has many keys. A keyboard is used to give information to the computer. Letters, numbers and symbols are printed on these keys. These keys are used for typing letters, numbers, and symbols. Writing with a computer keyboard is known as typing. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU works like the brain of a computer. The CPU controls all the other parts of the computer, such as the keyboard, the mouse and the monitor. All these parts are connected to the CPU through wires. Children, let's see in detail about mouse as a part of computer. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. The computer mouse helps us to draw pictures. It helps us to point things on the monitor. It is also used to click and select on the monitor. We can also move things on the monitor, using a mouse. A mouse is generally kept on a mouse pad as it moves well on a smooth surface. So, let's see practically the working and functioning of mouse with the following video.
A computer mouse is a pointing device. It may have 2 or more buttons. The button on the left is the left button, and the button on the right is the right button.
What is that wheel in the middle, Toggle?
That is a wheel called the scroll wheel. A modern mouse, like the one you have here, has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel at the center.
Okay, but what is the use of this wheel?
The scroll wheel helps us to move up or down a page on a computer monitor. Goggle, the computer mouse has to be placed properly in front of the computer.
Really? But how?
The mouse is usually placed on a flat, thin pad called a mouse pad. This makes its movement smooth. Though nowadays, the mouse you get can be used without a mouse pad also.
Okay.
Also, the buttons of the mouse should always point towards the computer. The mouse should not be turned sideways or turned over while in use.